In this video, we cover what are the best hands in blackjack and what are the worst hands in blackjack. In blackjack, the goal is always to get to 21, or as close as you can without going over. The player closest to 21 wins. All cards are worth face value, with the king, queen, and jack all being worth 10. The ace card is worth 11 points, unless that would lead to a hand over 21 points, in which case the ace is worth 1 point. The best hand to get in blackjack is a combination of a 10, king, queen, or jack, along with an ace as shown here. This will equal 21 and is known as a blackjack. You cannot lose with a blackjack hand. But if more than one player gets a blackjack hand, it can result in a push. In this case, all bets are returned to the players and a new hand is played. Another highly favorable hand to start with is a pair of tens. This hand will equal 20 and can only be beat by a blackjack or another combination of 21. While a player may be tempted to split the tens, it is statistically better to stand. A pair of tens will win approximately 80% of the time. Any starting hand with a value of 11 is considered highly favorable as well. With this hand, you are not at risk of busting, so you can take another card without any risk. There is roughly a 30% chance of being dealt a 10, which would result in a hand of 21. A final favorable starting hand is two aces. This is the perfect example of a flexible hand in blackjack. This hand has a value of either 12 or 2. You can choose to split the hand, giving you two hands each with one ace to continue to play, or you can choose to hit with no risk of busting. If you hit and get a 9, you will have 21. If you get a 10, then you are only at 12. Now, we will talk about some of the worst hands to have. Statistically, the worst hand to have is any hand coming to a value of 16. A 16 is usually too low to win the hand, but your risk of busting if you take another card is also very high. Having a hand with a value of 13, 14, or 15 is also among the worst starting hands to have, for the same reasons as a 16. While your odds are better of not busting when you hit, the risk is still fairly high. But with the lower values, the chances of winning with these hands is also significantly worse, leading to a likely decision to risk hitting. Now you know the best and worst hands in blackjack. Please like and subscribe for more videos on blackjack and other casino games. Now I have just a quick offer for you guys. If you are interested in blackjack online for real money checkout, the special link on your screen, or click the link in the description. Bovada is one of the oldest and most trusted online casinos on the web, offering a full range of casino games, including blackjack, poker, slots, sports betting, and more. It's free to join and start playing, and if you use the link on your screen, Bovada will match your first 3 deposits up to $3,750 when you are ready to start playing for real money.